Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode right here on this channel. So in this video we are going to look at what a condition variable is in Python. So what is a condition variable? A condition variable is a synchronization primitive that enables threads to wait for specific conditions before resuming execution. It efficiently combines a mutex with a notification system, allowing threads to block until notified of state changes without resource intensive busy waiting. So using condition variables in Python, the thread.Condition class provides synchronization for threads. The basic usage is 1 to acquire conditions log, 2 to check if the condition is met, and if not, call wait. You have to call the wait method or function to release lock and block. Another way on number 4, another thread changes state and calls notify, the notify method. So waiting threads waits and reacquires lock verifications condition. So this enables efficient coordinations without pooling, and condition variables are ideal for producer-consumer patterns, thread pools, and situations where threads must wait for specific state changes. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ayo the General.